Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back from my vacations. I was in Mexico like around 1 month and in Spain because of my PhD thesis. Um, I'm very happy to be back here in Germany. A lot of things to do, a lot of plans, and as you already see here, new devices. So because I already finished my PhD and I still have a lot of things to do regarding engineering, 3D modeling, rendering, construction and everything, finite element analysis. But that is more now at my job site and my work here in Germany. I, of course, still going to be doing plenty of things about engineering at home as well for the YouTube channel. But I was thinking, okay, Jorge, now that I don't strictly require anymore Windows CAD programs, CAD programs, now I can maybe make a change in order to learn more about these devices, Apple devices. In this case, I bought an Apple M4 Pro, MacBook Pro 14 inches. It is not the most equipped or the most something. It has 500 gigabytes of solid state drive, 24 gigabytes of RAM, and this is the M4 Pro version. Not the max out M4 Pro. There are two chips of the M4 Pro. This is the normal one, and I'm very happy. This has no nano texture glass for the display. It's just a normal laptop. It's in space black, and I bought it in Mexico. Pretty nice device. Pretty nice device. And my intention with this is to let you know how these Apple computers can really work for engineers, for a mechatronic engineer, for a mechanical engineer, maybe as a designer as well, or a product designer, product developer, for renderings, for CAD programs and everything. And I know that I already said in a video that I have that MacBooks are not really great for mechanical engineering, for mechanical engineers or CAD programs. But I'm going to give it a try, to be honest, and I believe we can do a lot of very interesting things with the Apple Silicon devices. So yeah, guys, I finally making a switch. I'm switching from Windows to completely my main device, an Apple computer. I'm pretty excited. Of course, I am not unknown in Apple. I use a lot of Apple devices through the years, like a lot, to be honest. I administrate the Apple computers at my work when I was working in the IT department, so I know my ways very, very good actually with Apple computers. But now I'm going to give them a personal try in my normal life. I have as well a MacBook Pro here for my girlfriend that she's using it, so it's okay. But I think this is a very important step because I really want to deliver you more valuable information about what can you do actually with Apple computer as an engineer. So I still have, of course, Windows computers because I need for a lot of things still Windows computers. So I have one Dell XPS. This is a 50 inches one Dell XPS. It is an old one, it's like 2 years old, but it makes a very nice job. It has an OLED panel and it has an NVIDIA RTX 3050, 16 gigabytes of memory RAM, nothing fancy, just a nice device to work in case I need SolidWorks or in case I need something really like in urgency. I still have my Windows laptop, of course, over here, and of course behind my TV there's still my Dell Precision 3660 workstations. So I'm not really completely leaving Windows because I rely a lot on Windows, and Windows is a pretty nice operating system which is pretty much very reliable for mechanical engineers, for mechatronics engineers. And there is a lot of software, of course, that is still not compatible with Apple OS, with Mac OS. For example, SolidWorks is still not compatible with Mac OS, and SolidWorks is one of the main programs in which I really do research about how it works and how can I make it work better actually. And I still rely in a lot of things, like for example NVIDIA graphics cards to do a lot of testing with digital twins, with 3D modeling, with rendering, with remote desktop connections. So I still pretty much going to be using Windows, but as my main device actually to push this YouTube channel, to edit videos, to do my work as well. When I have things to do for this YouTube channel or private research, I'm going to be doing everything on this MacBook. So I'm very happy actually. I'm very excited because actually it's a pretty nice device, no? If you can take a look here, I mean, the display is incredible. It has a mini LED panel. The resolution is as well incredible. Speakers, I love the speakers on this MacBook. I think it sounds fantastic and it's 100 times better than my XPS. It's 100 times better than my other Dell Precision workstation and my HP workstation. That's actually pretty sad now that I mentioned my HP C Studio G11 that I had, that you saw as well in this video here. I left that computer in Mexico for my family. It's of course what is going to be doing my family with such an incredible laptop workstation, but I didn't need it anymore, to be honest. So I just left it there for my parents in order to have a computer, reliable computer, and I'm switching completely now to Mac OS. But yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. As I mentioned, the speakers are great, the color is great, the color reproduction of the display is great. I'm pretty excited, and I think we can do a lot of pretty interesting things with MacBook's computers as well. I'm going to be trying most of these things with a CAD application, with 3D modeling, with rendering. I already installed as well MATLAB in order to perform or try to perform some finite element simulations using MATLAB. I really want to push the boundaries what mechanicals, mechatronics engineers, product designers can really do with a MacBook. I think I've been away from Apple OS already a few years, at least professionally, and because of my studies, of course. But I think now I'm going to give it really a nice try in order to really know what you can actually do. I want to do research, what are the myths, what are the legends, what you cannot do with Apple, and I'm gonna try to push a little bit the boundaries of what you can do as a mechanical engineer with it. So yeah guys, I just want to let you know I am switching to macOS. I'm pretty excited, and I'm going to let you know how it goes in the upcoming days. I'm going to now try to be pushing a lot of videos with this MacBook because I really want to deliver you important information. I already have with this like 2 weeks already since I was in Mexico. I got it there, and it's working incredibly fine. No problems. Just once it restarted, like just today, it had a problem and restarted itself. I have no idea why, but I bought it new from a shopping center in Mexico, so it is pretty nice device. I am pairing it as well with my MX3 Master S mouse. I have as well my incredible Dell monitor in my workstation here in my place, and I got as well a few other things with that as a Christmas gift from my family. So I am making actually a quite nice switch, I would say, devices. I got an Apple Watch as well from my family. It's the Apple Watch Ultra 5th generation. Pretty nice thing. I'm still switching my devices. When I came back to Germany, I switched my Samsung Galaxy 24 Ultra for iPhone 14 Pro. It is not the newest, but I don't wanted my company to spend more money or something like that. I just got an old iPhone. It works amazing. It's an amazing shape, just to couple my Apple Watch, because otherwise there is no way to confuse the Apple Watch without an iPhone. So yeah guys, I switched as well from Android to my iPhone again. I mean, I already had an iPhone like 1 year ago, and I use a ton of devices as well. And what I as well got as a Christmas gift as well from my family, I got the AirPods Max Pro. These are the 5th generation, still with the Lightning connector. So literally I'm making a complete switch from my Sony headphones, the MX5 and the HX5. So I'm making literally a complete switch from Android to iPhone, from my Sony headphones to these AirPods Pro Max, from my HP model workstation and my XPS to a MacBook Pro 14. And I'm very excited, to be honest. Not because there are new things or something, it's because I really want to give you valuable information about what are really the limits and the boundaries about what you can do with such devices. So guys, just wanted to let you know this, that a few more things are going to be coming to the channel. I have now more free time, so I'm going to be pushing as well this channel a little bit more. And stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching, and see you the next time.